my best friend, Amanda. Who is it?
Icky! The kid that we were talking to on Amazon. Hello? Well, on you too. He just hung up. He hung up! You hear that, boys and girls? He hung up!
Tell him what happened. Tell him what we said.
What did we say? Bleat! We act like sheep! Bah! I can laugh like a Chinese person with crack.
Oh my god. What is wrong with you?
I don't know. I didn't know.
I didn't know.
Lord. I'm still being recorded. Yay.
Well, let's get some dancing tunes.
Yeah, dude. Get a hold of her and what's crushed do?
No.
I love that song.
It won't change. Your freaking thing is retarded.
iPod Nano.
Dumb.
iPod Nano.
The lighting sucks. I didn't even see that, dude.
It seems slower.
Yeah, I like the slow version better. That's the one I downloaded.
Yeah. Okay. We're getting off Marcus's site because
It won't change. Change. Oh my god. What are you doing? Okay, I think I'm gonna end the video now.
Okay.
Okay.
Good.
Say bye, YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.